Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Boeing's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Boeing's report this quarter is quite interesting, especially with the developments in their commercial and defense segments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Boeing reported a revenue of $19.5 billion for the first quarter of 2025, which is an 18% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue increase is primarily driven by higher commercial deliveries, with 130 airplanes delivered this quarter. This reflects Boeing's gradual recovery in production rates, particularly for the 737 and 787 programs. Additionally, the total company backlog has grown to $545 billion, indicating strong future demand.
Despite the revenue growth, Boeing reported a net loss of $31 million. Can you explain the factors contributing to this loss?
Absolutely. The net loss is largely due to ongoing operational challenges and high costs associated with production and supply chain issues. However, it's worth noting that the adjusted EPS of -49 cents is better than the forecasted $1.54, which shows some improvement in their core operations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Boeing's CEO Kelly Ortberg mentioned improvements in operational performance. How is Boeing addressing its operational challenges?
Boeing is focusing on enhancing safety and quality across its operations. The gradual increase in 737 production is a testament to their efforts. However, the company still faces significant cash flow challenges, with an operating cash flow of $1.6 billion and free cash flow of -2.3 billion this quarter.
What does the future hold for Boeing, especially with their production plans?
Boeing plans to ramp up production of the 737 to 38 per month by the end of the year and increase 787 production to 7 per month. These steps, along with a strong backlog, position Boeing for a potential recovery, provided they can manage their costs effectively.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into Boeing's segment performance. How did the different segments fare this quarter?
The commercial airplanes segment saw a significant revenue increase to $8.1 billion, driven by higher deliveries. Defense, Space, and Security reported $6.3 billion in revenue, with stable operational performance. Global Services maintained steady revenue at $5.1 billion, reflecting a favorable mix and performance.
What strategic initiatives is Boeing undertaking to strengthen its market position?
Boeing secured 221 net orders this quarter, including significant deals with Korean Air and BOC Aviation. Additionally, the defense segment was selected for a contract to design the F-47 fighter aircraft, which could bolster future revenues once finalized.
Key takeaways. In summary, Boeing's first quarter results show a mixed performance with strong revenue growth, but ongoing challenges in profitability and cash flow. John, what are your final thoughts on Boeing's investment prospects?
Boeing is on a path to recovery with a strong backlog and strategic initiatives in place. However, investors should remain cautious due to the cash flow challenges and operational risks. The better-than-expected adjusted EPS is a positive sign, but sustained improvement is needed.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Boeing's performance in the comments below.